Hey guys, it's Agatha with Treasure Booth. We're back today to do a tutorial on how to find the link to your Smugmug account gallery. So if you have a Smugmug account and you want to put a link on your website under galleries, let's see, let me show you. Treasure. So let's type in Treasure Booth, and what I did is I created a link so that my guests can go to my website and then hit past events galleries, and then it's going to link it to your Smugmug gallery page. So if you guys want to do this, make sure you're logged into your Smugmug account. You're going to click on this little guy here, then you're going to go to account settings. And the first thing here, just make sure you have your site name. So this right here is going to be the URL that you're going to copy, and you're going to paste into your GoDaddy as a new page, and then you're just going to copy this link in there, so that way when they click on that link it forwards here to your gallery page just like that. So that's pretty much it.